What's the origin of flipping the bird? What is the origin/meaning of the phrase flipping the bird?
Flipping seems pretty straightforward, so the real question here is, where did the bird come from? Here's one account. Bird, 3. Middle finger held up in a rude gesture. Slang derived from 1860s expression gives a big bird to his someone like a goose, kept alive in vaudeville slang with sense of to greet someone with boos, hisses, and catcalls. 1922, transferred 1960s to the up yours hand gesture, the rigid finger representing the hypothetical object to be inserted, on notion of defiance and contempt. Gesture itself seems to be much older, the human anatomy section of a 12c. Latin bestiary in Cambridge describes the middle finger as that by means of which the pursuit of dishonor is indicated. Source: Online Etymology Dictionary.
The earliest use in print I found of the exact phrase flip the bird or flip the bird or flipping the bird is from a 1967 broadside, Volume 6, Issues 17 to 26. The Grateful Dead flipped the bird to the audience, tuned their instruments, blew up amps, for what seemed like forever, then disappeared, leaving people disappointed and brought down. The gesture is much older. Flipping the bird, the origins of everyone's favorite middle finger gesture tells us. The Romans did not invent this gesture, however. The earliest recorded mention is a play The Clouds, written by the Greek Aristophanes in 423 BC. Even then, the middle finger has a clear, obscene and sexual use. It is unlikely that the ancient Greeks were the founders for flipping the birdie. More likely, flipping someone off goes back into prehistory. Here's a 20th century translation of The Clouds. Socrates, well, to begin with, they'll make you elegant in company, and you'll recognize the different rhythms, the enoblean and the dactylic, which is like a digit. Strepsiades, like a digit. By God, that's something I do know. Socrates, then tell me. Strepsiades, when I was a lad a digit meant this. Strepsiades sticks his middle finger straight up under Socrates' nose. Socrates, you're just a crude buffoon.
If you look up the definition of fillip, you will see that it is a blow or gesture made by the sudden forcible straightening of a finger curled up against the thumb. This is where flip came from. Where the bird derived from I have no idea. But Philip pronounced flip is obvious.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.